Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 13 and the name of our unit is Things Around Us. Things Around Us. And today I will deliver its third lecture. And today we will discuss about living and non-living things, जैसे कि हम पहले से discuss कर रहे हैं. Now let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So my dear students, here you can see a girl is feeding the doll. क्या ये doll खाना खा सकती है? No. क्या ये bird पानी पी रही है? ये पानी पी सकती है? Yes. So now quickly tell me your doll eats. If not, then why? आपकी गुड़िया या आपके टॉयज खाना क्यों नहीं खा सकते? Because they are non-living. Very good. Now, have you seen birds drinking water? क्या आपने कभी किसी bird को या किसी दूसरे animal को पानी पीते हुए देखा है? So that means they are living things. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the ice-breaking activity. So, have you seen baby kittens? क्या आपने कभी छोटे छोटे से बिल्ली के बच्चों को देखा है? फिर ये ग्रो होके बड़ी बिल्ली बन जाते हैं. So, have you seen a baby plant? क्या आपने कभी किसी छोटे से प्लांट को देखा है? जरूर देखा होगा. So, they grow into bigger plants. So, that means all the living things grow. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly look at today's student learning outcome. Students will be able to recognize living and non-living things around them. So, बच्चे जो हैं जितने भी living और non-living things हैं अपने इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ों में बता सकेंगे कि ये चीज़ living है और ये चीज़ non-living है. और वो ये भी बता सकेंगे कि ऐसा क्यों है कि कुछ चीज़ें living होती हैं और कुछ non-living होती हैं. Okay, my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. So, Allah says in Quran, Allah made from water every living thing. Allah Ta'ala ने तमाम जानदारों को पानी से बनाया है. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading question. Babies are weak or strong? जो छोटे छोटे से babies होते हैं, अगर आपका भी कोई छोटा बहन भाई है, तो क्या आप मुझे बताएं वो weak होते हैं या strong होते हैं? They are weak. वो वीक होते हैं, कमजोर होते हैं, अपने आप चल नहीं सकते, अपने आप खा नहीं सकते. सो दे आर वीक. ओके, तो हमारे इर्द गिर्द कौन कौन सी चीजें होती हैं? कुछ लिविंग होती हैं और कुछ नॉन लिविंग होती हैं. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज ओपन पेज नंबर 108 in your GK1 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So my dear students, let's quickly start. First, look at the picture. Here you can see this is a mother hen and this is the baby of the hen. This is a big plant, big tree, and this is a small plant जो कि इसी के seeds से जो है वो grow हुआ है. Now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Only living things have young ones. सिर्फ living things के छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, young ones होते हैं. Young ones of living things are weak and cute. Young ones of living things are weak, कमजोर होते हैं, and they are cute. आपने देखा है कि छोटे 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 chicks होते हैं, they are very cute. So plants, animals, birds, and even you are living things. All living things move, eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. That means they have babies. Reproduce means they have babies. So my dear students, हमने क्या सीखा है? हमने ये सीखा है कि जितने भी living things होते हैं, जितने भी animals हैं, birds हैं, and even you, plants हैं, they are all living things. और जितने भी living things हैं, they can move, they can eat, they can breathe, they can drink, and they can reproduce and they can grow. So all such things which do these things are all living things. Things like car, ball, doll, and bricks are non-living things. These things cannot move, grow, eat, breathe, and reproduce. That means have babies. सो जितने भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं जैसे कि बॉल, डॉल, टेडी बियर, ब्रिक्स यानी कि ईंटें, ये तमाम चीजें नॉन लिविंग है क्योंकि ये मूव नहीं करती, ये ग्रो नहीं करती, ये खाना नहीं खाती, ये ब्रीद नहीं करती और इनके बेबीज भी नहीं होते. सो नाउ यू नो कि लिविंग थिंग्स क्या क्या करते हैं और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स वो चीजें नहीं करते. सो दैट्स वाई हम उनको नॉन लिविंग कहते हैं. सो quickly think and tell me, does a car or a ball have their young ones too? क्या एक गाड़ी के या एक बॉल के छोटे बच्चे होते हैं? No, that is not possible because they are non-living. Okay, my dear students, so living things have young ones. जितने भी जानदार होते हैं, living things होते हैं, उनके छोटे babies होते हैं. Young ones are weak and cute, और ये जो young ones होते हैं ये कमजोर होते हैं and they are also cute. Here you can see the baby horse. This is called a pony. Plants have young ones which are called seedlings, which grow from tiny seeds. And human beings also have babies. So now it's time for an activity. Teacher will prepare flashcards of living and non-living things. Use more objects and organisms from immediate surroundings of students to make them learn the difference between the living and non-living things. So my dear students, अब मैं आपको कुछ flashcards दिखाऊंगी. One by one आपने मुझे बताते जाना है quickly कि ये living है या non-living है. Okay? So quickly everyone get prepared. Number 1. This is a plant. Is it living or non-living? Very good. It is living. This is a dog. Is it living or non-living? Very good. Living because it eat, breathe, drink, grow, have babies. So what is this? A football. Is it living or non-living? Non-living because it does not grow, it does not eat, it does not drink, it does not breathe. This is a sparrow. Living or non-living? Living. Very good. Then this is a cat. Living or non-living? Living. Very good. Then this is a teddy bear. Living or non-living? Very good. Non-living. Then this is a parrot. Living or non-living? Living. Very good. Then comes chair. Very good. This is living or non-living? Very good. It is non-living. Then comes bicycle. Is it living or non-living? Non-living it is. Very good. Then a car. Is it living or non-living? Non-living. Very good. क्योंकि अपने आप नहीं चलती है. This is a cow. Is it living or non-living? Living thing. Very good. And last, a doll. Is it living or non-living? Very good. It is non-living. So my dear students, very good. Thank you so much for performing this activity with me. Teachers, आप भी क्लास में ये एक्टिविटी बच्चों से करवाएं through flash cards ताकि वो डिफरेंशिएट कर सकें बीच में लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग के, और बच्चों से रैपिडली क्वेश्चंस पूछें कि why you said that it is living, why you said it is non living. So this is how they will be able to tell you the difference between living and non living. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. Quickly tell me, to eat and breathe is feature of which class, living or non living? खाना खाना और सांस लेना किसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, लिविंग की या नॉन लिविंग की? Very good. Living things. So how is the cat living thing? Because it moves, it breathes, it eats, it drinks, it reproduces, have babies, it grows. So that is why a cat is living thing. So is a dead bird living or non-living? Why? A dead bird is non-living. Why? Because it does not move, eat, breathe, have babies and grow. So that is why जो चीजें dead होती हैं, मर जाती हैं, they become non-living. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class, and then circle the things that have young ones. आपके पास यहाँ पे कुछ चीजें आपको दिखाई गई हैं, कुछ आपके इर्द गिर्द होती हैं. आपने उनको सर्कल करना है जिनके बेबीज होते हैं. So first is a man. Yes, they have babies, so circle it. Then a cat. Yes, they have babies, circle it. A teddy bear. No, do not circle it. Car. Do not circle it. Tree. Yes, they have young plants from seeds, so circle it. And then a hen. Yes, they also have babies, so circle it. Very good. Now let's quickly move forward towards the homework. For homework, you will do home activity number 1, given on page number 108. So what is the activity? Find out 10 living and non-living things from your surroundings. Make 2 separate lists. So my dear students, आपको अपने इर्द गिर्द, आपको अपने घर से 10 चीजें जो कि non-living हैं और 10 चीजें जो living हैं, उनके names find out करने हैं. Then make a list. अलग अलग से एक पे आप नॉन लिविंग लिखिएगा, तमाम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के नेम्स लिखें. देन ऑन द अदर साइड राइट लिविंग एंड राइट डाउन ऑल द लिविंग थिंग्स. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल परफॉर्म दिस होमवर्क. So my dear students, today we have learned that living things reproduce young ones. Non-living things do not reproduce. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.